Hello and good morning, Sarah, over at Justin Taylor Companies, LLC, and Justin, big man over there. My name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. Just spoke with Sarah on the phone and want to get this custom video sent over to you guys, showing how you guys can start grab more customers online with a website. Sarah had said that you guys were looking for somebody with a website, and so I figured this would be a great way to send you guys some information if you guys decide to build this on your own, kind of what you guys are looking for and what you want to do. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. 6 years in business, hats off to you. That's a big achievement. Not most companies don't make it past 5. So hats off to you on that for sure. I see you guys are mainly promoting yourself through Facebook right now, and that's a great way to do it. But there's a better way. It's called SEO, or search engine optimization, so that people can find you online organically without you having to pay for ads to draw people to your website. And well, if you don't have a website, it's kind of hard to convert those customers. So nevertheless, we're going to show you what it takes to build a great website to get those customers finding you and converting into actual paying people. So we're going to jump in here. The first thing we do is we actually go to, back up here on this for a second, we're going to go to Google and we're going to look for excavating companies in Forest Lake, Minnesota. So the first thing that we see here are a Google guaranteed ad, or these Google ads that pop up. Normally you only get 3 businesses here, but since these guys have ran an ad, they're popping up to the top right away. And this is a Google business profile. This is a great thing to have. You want to get your reviews on this. I see one of your top competition only has 28 reviews, so getting 30 to 35 reviews shouldn't be too tough. But definitely want to get this Google business profile if you guys don't have one already, and get the reviews on it. Get this built out properly so that way you guys can jump to the top and grab people's attention right away. The average attention span of people online is anywhere from 7 to 8 seconds, so you want to make sure that you're found right away. But not only this, we want to make sure that we cover all areas of business, right? We want to make sure that we're at the top of the Google search results as well. So we're going to scroll down here. We're going to get the organic section of Google also. And we're going to see we got Yellow Pages, Angie's List. Those ones are usually at the top. And then we have this guy right here. He is the first top dog on Google right now in your guys' area, Forest Lake Contracting. So we're going to go into his website and see kind of what his website looks like and if he's built it out properly. So right away, we see we've got a view our work button, contact us, services. Not the greatest website on planet Earth, definitely lacking a bunch of content. Google absolutely loves content. We want to make sure we have it all over our website. The average homepage should have anywhere between 1,000 and 2,000 words of content based on your competitors. Since these guys don't have a lot, you can probably get away with 1,000. But we don't just want jibber jabber content. We want content that's full of keywords that people are searching for. We also want to take those keywords and put backlinks into them. We want to put backlinks all over your website. So one thing that we actually do is we take their URL right here, forestlakecontracting.com, and we're going to bring it over to our tool we like to use. This is called Ahrefs. Ahrefs gives us a good guideline on where you guys sit. URDR backlinks, definitely want to have those backlinks, where the referring domains are held for all of those backlinks, and the kinds of organic keywords that they're using on their website. As of right now, they only have 22 and 47, and that's roughly generating them almost 30 organic traffic every single month. So that's pretty good. I mean, the numbers can definitely be a lot bigger, but it's pretty good. So nevertheless, though, the one thing we really like to focus on is this UR and DR. The best way to reach the top ranks on Google is having a 1-to-1 ratio, if at all possible, or close to a 1-to-1. So if we look right now, they're sitting roughly at probably 52 to 55, or 0.55 or a 0.52. Ratio, so that's why they're in the top spots on Google. I'm going to show you another company that we actually built a website for down in Shreveport, Louisiana. That's exactly in this field. They do excavating, pond construction, things like that. It's called JN Land Pros. So we built out this website. Service is very clear: pond construction, ditch culvert, things like that. The first thing we see on their website is get a free quote. We want to get people getting their information to you as fast as possible. That way you guys can get in touch and start landing more deals. We want our websites to convert. We also want it optimized. So same thing. This has a lot more content on this one. We load this up with those keywords and those backlinks that we're talking about. And I'm going to show you what those kind of numbers look like. So like I had said, we get this closer to this 1-to-1 ratio, right? So that way they're boosted to the top ranks of Google and they're grabbing more customers. These guys started out with a whole bunch of zeros, just like you guys would be on a brand new website. And now look where they're at. 224 backlinks, 48 keywords, 61 referring domains, and it's only getting them 13 traffic. But I mean, 13 is better than 0 in any common sense, right? I'd rather have 13 than 0 any day of the week. So definitely optimizing the website and loading it up with SEO is a great way to get you guys boosted to the top of Google. But what you guys are doing in the meantime, running Facebook ads, that's a great way. You want to make sure you get your business out there some way, shape, or form. But nevertheless, that is how you want to do that. Sorry, one thing I didn't touch base on too, on how we actually get all of those backlinks and those keywords, is this tool actually allows us to go into each of them and we can figure out all of the quality backlinks that they have. Quality over quantity on backlinks any day of the week. Some companies think we just got to throw thousands and thousands of backlinks at this website to get it to rank, and that's not true. Google will flag that in a heartbeat and say that your website is a junk website, and they won't rank you for it. So we want to go and figure out every single one of the backlinks that they have possible, the good ones, the bad ones, get rid of the bad ones, keep the good ones, and go out and get even better ones. So same for that, as well as the keywords. We can actually go into the keywords that Forest Lake Contracting has and figure out what good keywords that they have. We want to get location-based, service-based keywords in your area, and then we also want to grab some high search volume ones too. That's really how we make sure that we've covered all bases in regards to how many people are searching. There's thousands of searches every single month for your guys' service, and you want to make sure you're found for it. So, same thing. We go into the keywords, and we can actually see the search volume for it. Lake contracting, kind of an odd keyword, but there's 200 search volume. It's an easy KD, and they're ranked position 6 for that. Forest Lake contracting, similar to what I searched, right? They're in the first position. Forest Lake contracting, snake tractor, that's an odd one. But we see all of these have a search volume and a position. So we want to make sure that we grab all of the best keywords with the best search volume, get them onto your website, get you guys ranking, and get you more customers. So at the end of the day, that's really what it takes. Hope this video helps you guys out in any way, shape, or form. If you guys decide to do it yourself, now you have the tools and the information to do so. Again, my name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. Hope you guys liked the video. Thanks. Stay in touch.